Hey guys, I am Nandan from Beta Console. As you all know, registration of applying for Diploma CET 2022 has begun now. In this video, I'll show you how to fill the application very easily. So let's get started. First, open any one of your browser and search for KEA. Then click on the first link. Then go to Admissions, Diploma CET 2022. If you want to change the language, you can change it from here. Click on English. Click on Online Application link. Then you have to click on New User. If you have studied your SSLC in Karnataka, click on Yes. If you haven't, then click on No. Now you have to enter your SSLC register number. I'll enter. It will automatically fetch your name, date of birth and all your details. Then you have to select the course for which you want the admission. Diploma CET lateral entry. Then you have to select your qualification. That means in which department you have completed your diploma. Then you have to select your nationality, that is Indian. Also, if you want to stay updated with all diploma related news and also prepare for DCET completely for free, then download our app Diploma Pro 2022. Link is available in the description, or you can just go to Play Store and search for Diploma Pro 2022. If you have studied at least 7 years in Karnataka, then you can select clause A. If you want more details about eligibility clause, we have given the PDF in our app, or you can just click here. After eligibility clause, you have to select your category. Then you have to enter your annual income. If you are physically challenged, click on yes. If no, then click on no. Then you have to enter your email ID. Then you have to select any one of the security question, like what is your favorite color. You can give your favorite color. Then you have to enter the CAPTCHA. Then you have to enter your number. Then you have to add a password. Then click on registration. It will generate your user ID. You can just copy this, or they will send a message to your registered mobile number. Because there are issues with the server, I can't show you the further process. Once the sites are up, I'll make another video and upload on YouTube. For that, you need to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the notification bell, or you can download our app. There also we will update you.